In this objective question from the given option, they are directing us to specify the correct option explaining in vitro fertilization, a type of assisted reproductive technology. For this, let me avoid the wrong option to specify the correct option after understanding this pictorial representation. In this picture, we can see the way how the in vitro fertilization is executed after the collection of the sperm and the egg. The sperm and the egg are allowed to get fertilized in a required specific nutrition medium by maintaining optimum conditions so that the fertilization facilitate a proper zygote formation. That zygote is introduced into the fallopian tube. With this specification, we are choosing option B as a correct answer to secure 4 mark after avoiding option A, C and D. Why? Because option A, C and D is not satisfying the limit of in vitro fertilization unlike option B. So we choose an option B as a correct answer to secure 4 mark. What are the points we told with this pictorial representation? That we are giving us a recap to take the NEET notes for future reference. The technique of physically uniting an egg and sperm in a lab dish is known as in vitro fertilization. The procedure entitles keeping an eye on and promoting a woman's ovulatory cycle, extracting ovum or ova from her ovaries and allowing sperm to fertilize the egg in a fluid medium in a lab. In order to successfully develop a pregnancy, the fertilized egg is transferred to mother uterus after being grown in a growth medium for 2 to 6 days. In this specification, we choose an option B as a correct answer to secure 4 mark.